Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're looking at the left-hand switch panel when you have electronic ignition. This gets rid of your normal ignition switch, allows you to control your electronic ignition and your magnetos with toggle switches, and they're very nicely done. Now, they're boxed in a very heavy cardboard box, and in them.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
You'll get some gummy bears from Front Panel Express, and you'll get their little cat sticker. That's current. They haven't always been doing that. Now, this is normally in there like that, held down by the shrink wrap. There is your order number right there, so you make sure you get the right one. And then here is the front panel that we had made for the left-hand side. It contains the microphone and the phone jack, a switch guard set, a switch guard set, a switch, and a switch guard set. Then a place for your master and alternator switch, and a place for your starter button. So that's from Front Panel Express. Now, let's take a look over here, and let's look at some of the switch guards and all that you can use with this. Let me cover the switch first. The reason why you'll notice that the indexing, this one is up and this one is down, is so that you have to mount the mag switch upside down, so that when it is in the on position, it's looking down. That's grounding the mag. When you want to use the mag, you unground it, i.e. push it up on, and now you have the mag. And then the switch for the EIS providing 12 volts of power to the controller works like a normal switch. Now, you have a couple of options on switch guards. We normally use the PDM-12. They fit right through. They come with a whole bag of hardware. They look fairly nice. Now, they also make a black anodized one, if you want to have that. And they also make a stainless steel, which is, as you can see, much thicker than the nickel one, but the stainless steel one is more than twice the price of those. So we just got one for reference. We normally use the PDM-12s. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's taking a look at everything that goes in to make a left panel switch when you have electronic ignition. Some people, we have a version that you can have a mag and a mag, and then that gets your key switch out of the deal. Anyway, we hope you found all this useful and informative about the left panel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having fun at your house today. Up in it, and she feels safe. There she is, Lily in her Dutch oven. Hope y'all enjoy this. Thanks for watching.